Hey, what's up, guys? It's Jeff from Fireplaces.net. Just want to give you a quick video here. This is a very popular fireplace we've been selling a lot to builders. This is superior. It's the Drt3540. It's the 2000 series 40-inch. It's also available in a 35 and a 45. It used to be available in a 33.
Still is.
Apparently it still is. I thought it was being discontinued, but apparently I'm wrong. You can see this on our website. We have this as a package, which will give you a vent kit as well as the buff interior panels. There's a remote control optional, and upcoming soon there's going to be a total of 4 different interior panel options. So we have a pretty realistic log set and burning here. It's ideal for new construction, renovation, and the price point is great on these. So if you wanted to go a little bit fancier, we could do this is the Drt3540. It's the 3000 series. It's going to give you a little bit larger flame on this. And then you go a little bit fancier, then we have the 3500 series, the Drt3540. So this is going to give you a multifunction remote control, lights, number of different interior panel options, which are actually required on this particular unit, and a little bit fancier of a log set. You have flame control, which has a built-in fan. If you have any questions, we have this on our website. Give us a call at 1-855-485-4015. Again, this is the Drt 2000 series, the 2040 showing here, the 3000 series, as well as the 3500 series. And these are from Superior Fireplaces. If you have any questions, give us a ring. Thank you.